Do you ever feel like your kitchen just doesn't have enough space to store everything that you have? In today's video, I'm taking you into one of our projects here in Lagos, a kitchen where the client had tons of gadgets, utensils, cakeware, and whatever you can think of to store. I'll show you how we turned the storage challenge into a beautiful, functional, and organized kitchen. Hi, I'm Uma. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Here we create luxury interiors that are both beautiful and practical. Today, I'm giving you a tour of a kitchen we designed in Lekki Phase 1 here in Lagos, Nigeria. This was a new build, so we had a clean canvas to work with. This is an interior designer's dream. The client's main requests were lots of storage and a kitchen island. And she trusted me to make this happen. The first challenge, like I mentioned, was storage. Storage was the biggest issue for her. But what we did was to utilize the kitchen's high ceilings and build full height wall cabinets. This not only created ample storage, but also gave the kitchen a sleek, high-end look. We also organized the small pantry by maximizing the walls and using beautiful storage baskets. This gave it a streamlined, organized look while still being functional. The client really wanted an island, but also wanted to keep the space open. And another challenge was that the space wasn't that big. So to solve this, I designed a movable island on wheels that tucks neatly into a custom niche when not in use. This way, she enjoys the best of both worlds: an island for meal prep or a quick breakfast, and an open space when she needs it. We also included concealed storage for appliances, spices, cutlery, dishes, so that the countertop always stay clean and uncluttered. To soften the space and add personality, we brought in her cookbooks, potted plants, and a few accessories. Since the client loves red, we introduced subtle pops of red through accessories while keeping the cabinetry neutral for balance and that contemporary feel. And that's how we created a kitchen that is functional, organized, and beautiful. By maximizing vertical storage, using a movable island, and adding personal touches, we transformed this kitchen into a space the client absolutely loves. So if you found these ideas helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more interior design inspiration and solutions, and do let me know in the comments, what's the biggest storage challenge in your own kitchen? Thank you for watching this video to the end. I am Uma, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.